For para, most learners always guess. By the end, you'll pick right every time. 10 clear rules, one easy lesson. Number 1. Use por for the reason or cause.
Por.
It means because of or due to.
Gracias por tu ayuda hoy.
Number 2. Use para for purpose or goal.
Para.
It means in order to or for.
Estudio para aprender español.
Number 3. Por means through or along.
Por.
Use it for movement in space.
Caminamos por el parque grande.
Number 4. Para points to a destination.
Para.
It shows where you are heading.
Salgo para Madrid mañana temprano.
Number 5. Por is for exchange or price.
Por.
Use it when you trade or pay.
Pagué 10 euros por esto.
Number 6. Para marks the recipient.
Para.
It shows who something is for.
Este regalo es para ti.
Number 7. Por shows duration of time.
Por.
It means for a length of time.
Estudié por 2 horas anoche.
Number 8. Para marks a deadline.
Para.
It means by a certain time.
La tarea es para el lunes.
Number 9. Por covers parts of the day.
Por.
Use it for morning, afternoon, night.
Trabajo por la mañana siempre.
Number 10. Para introduces an opinion.
Para.
It means in my view or for someone.
Para mí, esto es fácil.
Cause, goal, through destination, price, recipient, duration, deadline, time of day, opinion.
Por para, por para, por para, por para, por para.
Comment a sentence and I'll check your por versus para. Next steps are versus Esther made just as simple.